Hi there. Studying in Europe is not just limited to the rich. What most Nigerians do not know is that there is a country in Europe with low tuition fee and an enjoyable standard of living, and that country is Austria. Austria is one of Europe's safest and most developed countries with world-class universities and a globally recognized degree. Unlike the UK, Canada, the US with high tuition fee, Austria offers quality education at a much more affordable cost. With Austria, you can study in Europe without putting yourself and your family under extreme financial pressure. Here are the advantages you gain when you study in Austria. One, you gain internationally recognized degrees. Two, you live in a safe, peaceful, and secure environment. Three, you gain international exposure and greater career opportunities. Four, you travel across Schengen countries and position yourself for a better global future. The challenge is that many students do not know the correct process. Admission requirements, documentation, and visa applications. These processes can be confusing without proper guidance. To help tackle this, Yampa Travels created the Austria Study Abroad Package. It is a complete step-by-step support system designed to help you from the start of your application till you arrive in Europe. This package helps you with your visa application guidance, admission processing, accommodation assistance, your visa assistance guidance, university admission processing, travel assistance and preparation, and personal consultation throughout your journey. We don't just process your admission, we work with you step by step until you begin your new life in Europe. Admissions are ongoing and available slots are limited. To get full information on how to study in Austria, send Austria to our WhatsApp link or click the link below to begin your application. Your European future starts with one decision. Take that decision today.